Good morning guys, so welcome to another vlog. Today we are headed to the first ever OnePlus store in Mumbai. So we're gonna cover the launch event and we will get an exclusive first look at the Red Oneplus 5T. Yes, I'm mighty excited to catch a glimpse of that beautiful phone. At the same time, we will have a look at a few more accessories and a lot more stuff. So the whole idea behind this vlog is to talk to you guys, to show you stuff in my city that happens, everything related to smartphones. Do share your thoughts. I will get back to you guys once I'm at the launch event itself. Hey guys, so we are at the OnePlus official store launch event in Mumbai. This is probably the first authorized store in Mumbai, and I'm hearing that it is probably the first store in India. There have been experience zones around the country, but then again, this is the official first launch, and we're gonna cover just that. The OnePlus 5T in red looks ravishingly beautiful, so we're gonna have a look at that. I just met one of the person who's bought the phone for the first time. He's the first customer. He's exchanging his 3T with the 5T. So we're gonna have a look at the event. We're gonna have a look at the OnePlus 5T, how it looks in red, and one exclusive offer that they have launched today is they are giving away a pair of Bullets earphones free. So stay tuned and let's see what we've got inside. Alright guys, so finally I have my hands on the Red Oneplus 5T. Now had I known this, that it is going to come on the launch day itself or maybe later, I would have probably gone for this color. Well, the highlight, as you saw in the video, it looks completely different. The finish on the back is a gloss finish. It is not a grippy finish like the sandstone color, but then again, this is the first time OnePlus has come up with a red colored variant, and what you saw on my channel maybe a couple of months back or 1 month back was that the red color variant was first launched in China, and I was not expecting it to come over here in India, but then again I'm glad. So if you wish to buy the OnePlus 5T, now you've got the sandstone black variant. The Star Wars edition, as I got to know as of today, it has been discontinued, so it was out in limited quantities, but hey, you have the sandstone white color. So there you have it guys, this was a launch event, and in case anyone wants to buy the OnePlus device directly without going through the Amazon online process, you can come to Ville Parle West. It is available at the store. They still don't have the sandstone white variant, but then again the black one and the red one is available. Red one is available only in 128?
Yes.
No 64 GB is not there. So the 64GB variant for the red color is not available. It only comes in 128, just like the Star Wars edition.